Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm Zeeshan Ahmed, lecturer in statistics from Government Degree Boys College, Baldia town, Karachi. And today's lecture is for second year commerce class. And today's topic is index number. Index number can be defined as a number showing the variation in a price or value compared with the price or value at a specified earlier time, and it is often represented by the number 100. Another definition of index number can be that an index number is a measure of change in a variable or group of variables over time. Index number has a wide application, as in stock market prices, cost of living, industrial production, agricultural production, imports, etc. And it is the most used statistical tool in economics also. So hence it is a very important topic, and every student must understand what index number means. There are many types of index number, but here we are considering only one type, and with the help of an example we will try to explain the concept of index number and how to calculate it. And this type is simple price index number. Simple price index number can be defined as a simple price index number of an item is the ratio of the price of the item in the current period to the price of the same item in the base period. And this simple price index number is also called price relative. The formula for the calculation of price relative or simple price index number is that price relative is equal to the current price divided by the base price, and this fraction multiplied by 100. In symbols we can write it that PON is equal to PN upon PO multiplied by 100. PN stands for the price of a commodity in current period, and PO is the price of commodity in the base period. In these two quantities will be explained in the example later, and I hope you will be able to understand what these symbols mean. Consider this example. You can see that this is the data of price of flour over the years from 1995 to 2003. Just like in 1995, the price of 10 kilogram flour is 272. In 1996, it was 288. In 1997, the price was 295, and so on. And in the last, in 2003, the price of 10 kilogram flour was 384. And you can see that the year 2000 is highlighted because 2000 is considered as the base year. And now you will be able to understand what the current year means and what the base year means. Current year is that year for which you are going to calculate the index number, and the base year is that year with what you are going to compare the current year. So the base year is 2000, and all the remaining years will be considered as current year. Just like if we are going to calculate the price relative or simple price index number of 1995, then 1995 will be considered as the current year, and 2000 will be considered as the base year. And if you are going to calculate the price relative of 1998, it will be considered as the current year, and 2000 will be the base year. How to calculate the price relative? With the help of that formula which has been told you earlier, uh, let's go to the next slide. Yes, you can see here that for the year 1995, the price of flour is 272, and the price in base year 2000 is 2320. So according to the formula, just see in the line of 1995, 2272 divided by 320, and this fraction is multiplied by 100 gives the value 85. That means the current year value 272 is divided by the base year value 320, and this fraction is multiplied by 100, and the answer is 85. 85 is the price relative or simple price index number of the year 1995. In the same way, in 1996, the current price will be 288, and the base price will be the same as 320. So 288 will be divided by 320, and then the fraction will be multiplied by 100, and the answer becomes 90. In the same way, we will calculate the price relative or simple price index number for the remaining years till 2003. And you can see that in the year 2000, which is the base year, the price relative is 100, because the price relative or simple price index number of the base year is always 100. What conclusion can be drawn with the help of this calculation, and what can be understood by the meaning of index number? Just go to the next slide. We can observe that the index number of base year is always 100, and index number of all the remaining years other than the base year gives the comparison of the prices of all the years with that of the price of the base year. Price relative of the years preceding the base year are less than 100, because the prices of the preceding years are lesser than that of the base year. It means from 1995 to 1999, the prices are less than that of the base year price, which is 320. Hence, the index number is also less than 100. And you can observe that the price relative of the years following the base year are greater than 100, because the prices of the following years are greater than that of the base year. Some more conclusions are that the price relative of 1995, just consider the value which you obtained by the calculation for 1995, that was 85. It means that, what does 85 shows? It means that the price in 1995 is 15% lower than that of the price in 2000, and the price relative of 2003 is 120. It means that the price in 2003 is 20% higher than the price of as that of in 2000. In the same way, we can compare all the years with the base year, and which gives a comparison of the prices of the floor from 1995 to 2003, uh, and the comparison is made with the base year, which is 2000. I hope you would be able to understand what index number or simple price index number means. Thank you so much.